Welcome to Software Pundit, the leading destination for software reviews. Drift is a popular customer messaging and marketing software with over 50,000 customers. But is it right for you? We're going to cover the most important things you should consider before making your purchase, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a Drift customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below. And if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. So let's get started. Drift received a high Analyst rating of 90 and is currently ranked 6th in our live chat software category. Drift offers very powerful segmentation capabilities for marketing and sales teams. Its segmentation enables rich targeting for one-off and drip marketing campaigns, and it integrates with key sales and marketing solutions like Marketo and Salesforce. However, it has a steep learning curve because of its complexity. The chat inbox is not always accurate with information, and it lacks pricing transparency. Customer complaints generally center around negative experiences with Drift's customer service and billing practices. Some small businesses have mentioned they felt undervalued because they weren't paying for enterprise plans, while others were charged even after they requested plan cancellations. Others are pleased with the functionality that Drift provides. Overall, Drift is one of the most powerful and expensive choices on the market. It's definitely ideal for sales teams and shouldn't be considered if you're just looking for a basic support tool. If you're searching for an equally advanced software that's less sales focused, look into Intercom. If you're searching for a similarly powerful yet more chat focused option, look into Live Chat. If you want messaging and marketing features at a lower price, check out HelpCrunch. Drift pricing starts at roughly $600 per month for 10 seats on the premium plan, and additional seats are priced at $80 per month. Enterprise customers should expect to pay thousands of dollars per month. The company also charges a fixed platform fee for all customers. Drift's free plan includes live chat and a single seat. Premium pricing starts at roughly $600 per month for 10 seats and $80 for each additional seat. Pricing is unknown for enterprise plans, and the starter program costs $500 per 10 seats, and there's 3 tiers based on startup funding amount. Let's discuss how Drift's major features can support your organization's customer support, engagement, or sales goals. Drift's live chat feature is offered for free. With this tool, Drift customers can connect with their website visitors to provide support and capture leads. This feature is on par with the power and usability of similar live chat tools. There is an inbox on the company side, and a standard widget that visitors will use to chat with agents. The Conversations inbox opens as a separate tab from the dashboard, or you can choose to download the Drift desktop application to house chats separately. Open and closed conversations can be viewed, and all essential functions are included. Actions that agents can take in the inbox include scheduling meetings with the visitor, sending files and emojis, typing preset commands, adding tags to conversations, marking as a conversation qualified lead, and viewing visitor information and site activity. Though messages are delivered instantaneously, we found that the inbox states that visitors are typing even when they're not, or when they've already left the chat. These are fairly small details, but ones we felt were worth noting. Unlike simpler solutions, Drift allows you to pull in customer data from other systems that can be used for segmentation, content personalization, and rich reporting. Drift Intel, which is included in the premium plan, gathers information from third-party sources like Crunchbase, 6th Sense, and ZoomInfo to augment your contact profiles. Example fields include visitor name, contact details, company name, and industry. The enterprise plan comes with Drift Audiences, which allows you to pull in data from your other systems. The company has integrations with most large software tools, including Marketo and Salesforce. The data stored in Drift is used to create basic and advanced marketing campaigns known as Playbooks. Playbooks are Drift's targeted emails and chat messages, which are often sent with the intent of actively greeting visitors, capturing visitor information, and routing visitors to the correct department. When building these messages, you'll write the content, set the target audience, and set display rules. This section makes it easy to create all different types of targeted messages from the same tab. Drift provides detailed metrics on how each chat and email playbook performs. This section is slightly more detailed and laid out more intuitively than campaign metrics in other platforms. You can view the number of impressions, sends, and conversations started from the playbook, and the amount of emails and meetings captured from conversations. These reports can be exported, customers can change the date range, and metrics can be viewed by day, week, or month. Chatbots are software programs designed to converse with visitors when your company's chat agents are not online. Bots often handle customer concerns after business hours, and Drift's bots can complete tasks like gathering contact information, providing answers to simple FAQs, and prompting visitors to schedule a meeting with the in-application calendar integration. Drift's chatbots are built in a workflow builder, where you'll construct a conversation tree. The chatbots can also notify visitors of team availability, send emails to remind contacts to schedule appointments, and save reusable keyword groups. To help their customers understand how they're performing and how their visitors are engaging, Drift offers a detailed reports section. There are reports on revenue, meetings, playbook, and conversations. Overall, this section is complex and incredibly detailed. It's likely one of the most detailed reports you'll find across chat softwares. Drift email can be integrated with email campaign building tools, like MailChimp, and will act as an email manager tool. Drift Video enables you to record sales videos to engage with your customers. These videos can be personalized and sent to individual customers. You'll be able to see metrics concerning who has watched which videos and for how long. All plans come with a calendar integration feature to easily set time to meet with visitors and potential clients. The 2 paid plans come with a calendar application in the chat. Drift has significantly fewer pre-built integrations than major competitor Intercom. However, there are many crucial integrations, including one with Zapier, which will allow you to independently build integrations with over 3,000 applications. Drift only offers support over live chat, and each conversation will be routed through the Drift bot to connect you with the right team. There are a few emails published on the Drift website for specific inquiries. Drift also offers a help center, blog articles, demo videos, live demos, and an application status page. Drift competes most directly with Intercom. There are other popular live chat tools on the market, but most are geared towards smaller companies and offer a smaller range of tools. Drift is a highly advanced customer engagement software that's geared towards large teams across the entire sales funnel. A high price accompanies the power that it offers, and while the exact price ranges aren't publicly available information, it will likely cost hundreds of dollars a month for non-enterprise customers. It's likely not the right choice for those searching for a basic live chat tool due to its complexity. This platform is best for larger companies, but can also work for smaller organizations that are willing to work with an advanced and expensive tool. If you're searching for an equally advanced software that's less sales focused, look into Intercom. If you're searching for a similarly powerful yet more chat focused option, look into live chat. If you want messaging and marketing features at a lower price, check out HelpCrunch. If you're interested in trying Drift, click the link in the description box below. Do you agree with our recommendation for Drift? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.